Sam Altman seems to really be serious about getting into the chip business. Sources are telling Bloomberg that the OpenAI CEO has held talks to raise billions, including $8 to $10 billion from Abu Dhabi-based G42, to set up a network of factories to manufacture chips. Quote, Altman had been hard at work on the CHIPS project until he was temporarily ousted as OpenAI CEO in November. Upon his return, he rekindled the efforts. Altman has also sounded out Microsoft on the plan, and the software giant is interested, according to two people. Altman believes the industry needs to act now to ensure there's sufficient supply near the end of the decade, according to people familiar with his thinking, end quote. Altman's fundraising effort is driven by concerns about a chip shortage due to increasing AI use. Unlike peers like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft who outsource chip manufacturing, Altman's approach seems to require costly fabrication plants. Discussions with G42 aim to raise $8 to $10 billion for this, but the current progress is uncertain. A single chip fab can cost tens of billions of dollars to get off the ground, and the process can take the better part of a decade. It's unclear to what degree Altman would try to partner with leaders in the chip fabrication space, which includes Intel, TSMC, and Samsung.